In the meantime, opposition spokesman on health and wellness, Dr. Alfred Dawes, is calling for decisive action to address the critical failure of surgical services at two of Jamaica's flagship public health institutions. Dr. Dawes contends that the current shutdown mirrors a cycle the Ministry of Health has repeated relentlessly.
Again, surgeries are being cancelled. Life-saving medical missions are in jeopardy. And once again, the patients and the hospital staff are paying the price. This is not new. When I raised the alarm last year about Bustamante's theaters, the ministry responded with a PR exercise, not a fix. When mold was found at Kingston Public Hospital, they painted over it, made an announcement for the evening news, and called it solved. Well, it wasn't solved, because those same theaters are contaminated yet again and patients are suffering again.